Hello there, it's Andy from Email Love, and today we are going to take a look at some of the pre-built templates that we have created using the Email Love Figma plugin. And these are all available on the Email Love community page on the Figma website. And what's neat about these is they're all built with our plugin, and so you can use the components from these templates with your own designs. You could even take the whole template, you can reskin it, you can make it your own. And so this is a great place to start if you don't have your own design system or you're looking for inspiration for components and layouts for your own templates. And so let's share the full screen here. Okay. So as you can see here, we have templates from Zapier, Envato, Milk Bar, Netflix, Aura Ring, Athletic Brewing, Rivian. I think the Apple template is one of our most popular. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can actually see the Email Love Figma plugin itself and the Ultimate Email Design System. So those are both two things that you should download and start using as well. But assuming you've installed the plugin, I would start with, let's open up the Apple template and take a look at it here. So this is it in the Figma community, and just click on this Open in Figma button, and it will create a draft file for you inside of Figma. And so this is not just a screenshot, this is actually a template that, as you can see on the left-hand side, has been built using the Email Love MJML frame structure. And so you can take any of these components and reuse them within your own email. So let's see how this works with our plugin. So if you just go to the Actions tab at the bottom, if you search Email Love, it will come up. Okay, and here it is here. We already have a frame, so I'm going to click on the blue Use Existing Frame button. And then let's just preview this message so you can see how it looks directly in the plugin. Okay, so as you can see, this is all live HTML text. This is a fully responsive template that you could start using yourself with your own templates. You can check it out on iPhone as well, and you can see it's all fully responsive. Now, typically, you're not going to want to send an Apple email. You're probably not working for Apple. And so what I would do is I would go through our templates and I would find the components that I want to kind of save and reuse in my own email designs. And so I would actually take the templates apart and kind of save the sections that I want to use with my own template. And just to give you an idea of how you would then customize it, you would use Figma's tools over here to kind of change the colors, update the fonts, obviously add your own copy. And obviously it's very easy using Figma to kind of change things like the corner radius, the color of the buttons. All of that can easily be updated. Okay, let's zoom in here. Okay, so let's make it slightly different color. Let's maybe make it blue. Now, once you have your components that you've taken from our pre-built templates, you can turn these into Figma components if you like. So you can actually just click on that little diamond icon. It will turn this into a Figma component, and that will instantly become available in the Figma asset library. So you could actually start using that, and this is like a parent-child relationship. So this is the parent, this is the child on the left-hand side. If we change anything about the parent, like the color, you will see the child will also update. And so this is a really scalable way to manage your components, because you can update them in one place and then have them update across every template that you've used them. The other thing that you can do with your components once you've customized them is you can actually save them inside of our plugin as well. So this is a single column section. So if we come down to the single column section of the plugin, we can simply click Add Custom Component button, and that will save this component into the library of components that you have available inside of the plugin. You can do the same thing with overall templates as well. So if you actually, let's say we wanted to save this Apple template, we can actually just go into the Customs tab. We can create a category. So I've got a transactional category, a default category. I could actually create a new category. I'm just going to call it a promo email. And then what I can do is I can select my template. I can choose this new category that I've created, and I can add the template to that category. And it will actually save this for me. And I can easily come into Customs, create a frame, and then spin up a new version of that template instantly. So that's how you can save overall templates as well as components inside of the Figma asset library or the Email of Figma plugin. The other thing I wanted to show you is we do have a selection of pre-built components, pre-built templates, that you can actually access directly in the pre-designed section of the plugin. And so these are just example templates that you can click on if you've selected a frame, and it will again generate that template for you. And the idea is these are just idea starters to give you some inspiration and to help you get started creating your own templates. Okay, so that's most of what I wanted to show you today. Again, check out the Email Love community page on the Figma community website. We are adding new templates to this page all the time. And so let me know if you have any requests, but this is a great place to find inspiration as well as interesting components that you could reuse with your own templates. Okay, that's all I have for today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or feel free to join our Discord server if you want to interact with our wider community. Okay, thank you.